Unveiling the science of earthquakes, how and why they happen. Have you ever wondered what causes the ground beneath our feet to suddenly shake and tremble? Let's dive into understanding earthquakes. Earthquakes are a natural phenomenon resulting from the sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust. This creates seismic waves. These seismic waves are what we feel during an earthquake. The point inside the Earth where this energy is released is called the focus. Right above the focus, on the Earth's surface, lies the epicenter. It's usually where the strongest tremors are felt during an earthquake. The energy released during an earthquake travels in waves in all directions. These waves are recorded on a device called a seismograph. Tectonic plates and their movements play a crucial role in earthquakes. When these plates move, they can cause the ground to shake. Understanding earthquakes helps us prepare better for their unpredictability. Through science, we can build safer structures and reduce their devastating impacts.